Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we solved a likely examination question on construction. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question is, town M is 20 kilometers from town N and 22 kilometers from town P, while N is 18 kilometers from P. A market is to be built to serve the three towns. It is to be located such that traders from N and M will always travel equal distance to access the market, while traders from P will travel exactly 10 kilometers to reach the market. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, find by construction the possible locations for the market. Use a scale of 1 centimeter to 2 kilometers. A. How many of such locations are there? B. Measure and record the distances of the locations from town N and town M. And C. Which of the locations will be convenient for all the three towns? So this is our question. We can see that it's a practical problem. We are going to apply everything we've learned under construction so far to solve this question. Take note of the scale given to us. The scale is 1 centimeter is to 2 kilometers. We will use it a lot in the solution to this question. We will begin the solution by analyzing the first part of the question. Let's do that. The first part of the question says that town M is 20 kilometers from town N and 22 kilometers from town P, while N is 18 kilometers from P. So we have three towns here, town M, town N, and town P. Let's say that we have town M here, we have town N here, and we have town P here. The distances between these three towns have been given to us. The first one is town M is 20 kilometers from town N. That means that the distance between town M and town N is 20 kilometers. Town M is 20 kilometers from town N and 22 kilometers from town P. So it means that the distance between town M and town P is 22 kilometers. While N is 18 kilometers from P. This means that the distance between town N and town P is 18 kilometers. So we now have the distances between the three towns. We can see that the lines joining the three towns form a triangle. You have the triangle MNP. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, we can construct the triangle MNP. But we can also see that the distances between the three towns are in kilometers. The ruler we have been using for our construction is in centimeters. So you have to convert the distances from kilometers to centimeters. We are going to use the scale given to us in the question. The scale is 1 centimeter is to 2 kilometers. In the videos on rates, we learned how to convert a quantity from one unit of measurement to another unit of measurement. We are going to apply what we learned in those videos here. If you want more information about how to convert a quantity from one unit of measurement to another unit of measurement, watch the video on rates, which is available on this channel. So using this scale, which is 1 centimeter to 2 kilometers, we are going to convert the distances here from kilometers to centimeters. 1 centimeter is to 2 kilometers means that every 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometers. In the same way, it also means that every 2 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter. Because we are converting from kilometers to centimeters, I'll write the kilometers first. So you have 2 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter. This is the scale. Now we are going to use this scale to convert the distance between town M and town N, which is 20 kilometers, to centimeters. If 2 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter, then it means that 20 kilometers will give us 10 centimeters. 2 kilometers is giving us 1 centimeter. So 20 kilometers will give us 10 centimeters. It means that the distance between town M and town N, which is 20 kilometers, will be 10 centimeters. Let's look at the distance between town M and town P. The distance between town M and town P is 22 kilometers. We know that the scale is 2 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter. If 2 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter, then 22 kilometers will be equal to 11 centimeters. So the distance between town M and town P, which is 22 kilometers, will be 11 centimeters. Let's look at the last one. The distance between town N and town P. It is 18 kilometers. We are still using the same scale. The scale is 2 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter. If 2 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter, then 18 kilometers will be equal to 9 centimeters. So the distance between town N and town P, which is 18 kilometers, will be equal to 9 centimeters. We now have the distances between the three towns in centimeters. The distance between town M and town N is 10 centimeters. The distance between town M and town P is 11 centimeters. And the distance between town N and town P is 9 centimeters. Using this, we can construct the triangle MNP. Let's do that. We have all the dimensions of the triangle. So in order to construct the triangle MNP, we will have to choose one side as the base. I'm going to choose the side MP with length 11 centimeters to be the base. So to begin, we will pick the ruler and draw a long horizontal line, just as we have been doing all along. So I have my ruler here. I'm going to draw a long horizontal line. The side I'm using as the base is the side MP with length 11 centimeters. So I'll take the compass and measure 11 centimeters on the ruler. I'll put the needle of the compass on point 0, then stretch the part holding the pencil to 11 centimeters, which will be 110 millimeters on my ruler. After that, I'll transfer it onto the line. I'll put the needle of the compass here, then turn it and construct an arc to intersect the line. Then I'll move the needle of the compass to this point, turn it and construct another arc to intersect the line, just as I have done here. I'm going to clean this part of the arc and clean this part also. I'll come here, clean this part and clean this part too. This will be point M and this will be point P. The length of the line MP is 11 centimeters. Let's move on to the other sides. We have the side MN with length 10 centimeters. So I'll measure 10 centimeters on the ruler using the compass. I'll put the needle of the compass on point 0, then stretch the part holding the pencil to 10 centimeters, which will be 100 millimeters on my ruler. After that, I'll move the needle of the compass to point M. We are constructing the side MN and I have point M. So I'll put the needle of the compass on point M. Then after that, I'll turn it and construct an arc. The other side given to us is the side NP with length 9 centimeters. So I'll move the needle of the compass to point 0 on the ruler and measure 9 centimeters. I'll stretch the part holding the pencil to 9 centimeters, which will be 90 millimeters on my ruler. After that, I'll move the needle of the compass to point P. We are constructing the side NP, and we have point P here. So I'll put the needle of the compass on point P. Then I'll turn it and construct an arc to intersect the first arc that I constructed. I'm going to clean this part of the arc and clean this part also. We can see that the two arcs intersect at this point. The point of intersection of the two arcs will give us point N. So we have point N here. We now have the point M, the point P, and the point N. To get the side MN, we will draw a straight line to join point M to point N. The length of the side MN is 10 centimeters. And to get the side NP, we will draw a straight line to join point N to point P. The length of the side NP is 9 centimeters. We are now done with both the compass and the ruler, so I'm going to take them off so that you see the triangle very clearly. We have now analyzed the first part of the question. By doing that, we have the triangle MNP, which shows the distances between the three towns. In the next video, we are going to analyze the second part of the question. So see you in the next video, and let's continue with the solution. Bye-bye.